Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. It is Hump Day, Wednesday. We made it halfway through the week. We got a big old gash, or somebody was trying to take a peek. Oh boy. Links are going to be down below where you could take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Not sure what this is, so I'm going to put you down for a sec, and we're about to open this thing up together. So pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching, and share this video or share the links, whatever you guys want to do. This feels like a pillow. That's what it feels like to me. Feels like a pillow. Oh, maybe not. Alright. And there we go. Lift. Take this down. Garbage out of here. Clean up for a sec. Birthday's in 2 days. Oh boy. And it's almost summertime, so definitely looking forward to warmer weather. Oh, this is a comforter. Bada boom. We got the black on black, I think. Sweet. So if you guys are looking for a comforter for your bedroom, your kids' room, they got different sizes. All you gotta do is click on the link and see what they have to offer. And like I said, you get this fast shipped to you. I know I did. So I didn't have to wait that long. A couple days maybe. A little black. Feels really comfortable. I like it. I'll set it up too for you guys to look at how it is on the bed. That's nice. A little dirty, but I think that's from shipping. These are just little fuzzies. I got them on. Gotta brush them off. So there it is. Definitely little fuzzies everywhere. Excuse me for the mess. But I'm gonna go in the bedroom, set this up, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it set up now. Here is the king size comforter. Really comfortable and nicely made. That's what it looks like from a king size bed. Like I said, they have other ones, other colors too, and other sizes. So all I gotta do is click the link, check them out, take advantage of the Prime's fast shipping, get one of these in no time. So really nice, like I said, super comfy. So great style. See these on like reality shows and stuff like that. That's what they use. So all you gotta do, check them out. Really cool. And that's a little bit better. This side. And we go here. Here's the front. So pretty cool. And there's the other side. Just gotta straighten out a little bit more, but it's all good for now. So really cool. So alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link is gonna be down below. Get one at low cost and be safe and have a good night.